All right. Back again. Got a couple more since that's about what we got in that last one. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Yep, she's back. She knew I was opening packs, so she couldn't go to sleep. Is that right? Is that what it was? That's a yes. Just open these both up. Put them to the side.
You're so neat.
Yep.
Maybe I will dream of having a pet.
You'll dream of having a pet?
Having pet Pokemon.
Having pet Pokemon.
Yeah.
Oh. Because I'm opening cards?
Yeah.
You'll dream of Pokemon because I'm opening cards about people fighting? That's kind of weird.
I know. Is this because I have Pokemon cards?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. There's so many.
Yep.
So what? That's weird.
Nice foil. Once again, all the common characters are kind of crazy. She's trying to show off her nail polish again.
Yep, that was that. Here you go.
Now I gotta finish this.
That's so silly. Bad when you need it. Just gonna grab it. That's one. Here you go.
My card opening assistant.
There's lots more to open from here. And the packets for your next videos.
Oh, okay.
It's golden and foil a little bit.
Yep.
I like it.
Oh, part of me wonders if people are gonna get bored watching me open cards. But what if I then open something good? And I'll be like, oh man, I wanted to record that.
Yeah. We should do that sometime. Here you go. Yeah, thumbs up if you like it. I keep doing that because of YouTube videos. They got more than one part, and they just keep saying that at the end.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Hey, here's something.
YouTube is a way of life.
Yeah.
Yeah. She agrees.
There's a lot more packages. Where these came from? Where those came from, right? There's lots more.
Yep, there can be. umpteenth Julia Chang.
I need to start watching YouTube more.
Why would you want to watch YouTube more?
Because I haven't watched it a lot.
That's a good thing.
Why?
You don't need to watch a lot of YouTube.
Why?
Because YouTube isn't life.
You said YouTube is a way of life.
That was a joke.
That's not a funny joke. That's a dad joke.
It's a dad joke. Dad jokes aren't funny jokes? I thought dad jokes were hilarious jokes.
You need to someone more funnier though.
Yeah, well, here's an ultra. Ultra rare one.
Ultra rare. Can I see?
Shiny blue.
Can I see? Wait, it's right there. Oh. I always want to be in the videos with you.
Always, as in today when you found out I did some pack opening videos.
Always.
So yeah, her always, it's the equivalent of
Forever.
one day.
What's one day? What's one day?
Not even a day, an hour or so. So I had a bunch of packages come in all at the same time.
And we still got some right here.
I do.
Uh-oh. I got hands of these ones.
Okay.
Because...
You're gonna keep me straight?
Yeah. At least nobody
That's
knows.
why everybody needs a daughter.
Yeah. They keep things straight. Uh-oh. There's a bunch of trash right there.
Yep, that'd be wrappers. Okay, pack me.
Pack. Here you go. Let's see what's in the next one. Where the same where these came from. What? It's upside down. Oh. It looked like it was upside down. Wow, foil! Foil!
Shiny rare.
Ow. It's foil. I got pack when you need one.
Okay, that's not the way you show packs to the camera.
I'm being silly. I'm opening it by myself.
Well, don't open it by yourself. You gotta open it on the camera. That's the point. The point is to open it on the camera.
I opened it up for you.
Okay.
Time to get. Now that I know that you can put on this on the back, you can actually do it. Am I opening it?
Hey, gotta open it on the camera. So if we ever do find that hidden rare, it'll be like, oh, look, it was on camera. Instead of it being like, oh, they must have snuck that in. Just so we can look lucky.
Daddy,
Yes.
the next pack can I do?
Can you open it on the camera?
Yeah. Okay. I might need a little help here. There we go. I should open the packs for you.
Oh, should you now?
Yeah. Very strong. Oh, wait. Huh? How did you open these?
You gotta hold them up at the top and pull. You gonna open that?
Yeah. Get that corner off.
Cards don't need to be in one piece.
Oh. I'm trying it. Last time I did it by myself, the other ones are too hard for me.
You don't understand the whole open on the camera thing, do you?
I don't.
No. It means if the camera can't see it, you're not supposed to open it. The camera only sees what's in this area here.
Where there's cards everywhere.
Yep.
You can actually see what you're doing there.
Yep, that's kind of the point.
Yoo-hoo.
That's kind of not the point.
Yeah, I was like, yoo-hoo, being a silly man. Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo. Hello, hello, hello. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo. Okay. Maybe I have to twist. How did you do that? How did you do that so hard, Daddy?
Do what?
You know, do that so hard.
Just pull.
Like,
Yep, right there in the middle.
right here?
Sort of.
Right here? Right here?
Gotta pull on the tab.
Tab, where? Where's the tab? Right here?
Right here. See this?
Mm-hmm. Oh!
It opens up like a T.
I know.
Oh, you got it.
Yes. Now I
Okay.
know the secret.
Are you gonna open them all up off the camera? When I said we need to open them up on the camera?
I don't understand that.
You need to open it where the camera can see you open it. Which means you gotta bring it over here.
That.
Maybe not destroy the cards in the process.
Then right here, then right here.
I guess you could have destroyed these cards. It would have been fine.
Huh?
If you would have destroyed these cards, it would have been fine. Nothing important was in these.
Okay. They really rare.
Yep.
I can't.
Okay.
Last one. Whoa. Wow.
Yep, last one.
How do you get so many cards?
Looks like so far 4 boxes, 2 ultras. So ultras seem to be in every other box. And only foils.
Whoa,
2,
shiny.
3,
What?
4,
I ripped
5,
it. I ripped it. Hello, I'm a
6,
flag.
7, 8, 9, 10 foils. So
This
if
is
you
a
count,
flag.
oh, okay. If you count the ultra, 10 foils, so it's about the same ratio as last time. And that's it. So I will see you next opening.
Bye bye. I love you guys.